G'day everyone, it's Chriso. We're nearing the completion of another bathroom. White always goes down a treat. Like you can never beat. It's pretty hard to beat a white bathroom. It always looks clean, fresh, sparkling, inviting. But with your grout, slap it on, push it in, DIYs, take your excess off. That's going to be a light in the mirror. I'll go up there in white. That's where the shower screen will be. Going right up that line and across that line there. These people have chosen not to take the cornice off. With a white tile, sometimes it can be sticking out a little bit from the cornice. If you've got a slight bump in the wall, it's pretty hard to get it back because your cornice is 10 mil, your tile is 10 plus glue. So you're looking at 12 mil, and then if you've got a slight bump in your wall and you're laying a flat wall, you can sometimes be sticking out a little, but it never shows up with a white tile. Blends in nicely. And sometimes people just don't want to go to that extra expense because it's a little bit unnecessary. When it's all grouted, it looks bloody beautiful. Okay, we'll catch up with you soon. I'll turn the camera back on when I'm wiping off. See you soon. Bye.